Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back in this channel. This occasion, I want to do a very tutorial about the ACL or the access list. I said that, and we're gonna use the three topology subnets before. There is the total tree loopback, interface loopback. There's six or total two is sum. There's the configuration of graphic list in out. The other one is the ERP. Or further, I can explain that the access list is for that this this lab is using the method filtering about based on the even based on the odd and even IP address, odd IP address and even IP address. Okay, gonna do right now. Yes. Okay, just started the router. And before we started, don't forget to delete, delete before the prefix list. As you can see, this one, do as her run, do as her run. Sorry. There is the IP prefix. Okay, no, just no prefix IP prefix list. Blocking 6 10 sorry delay 330/34 then less equal 38. Okay, no IP address 20 permit so less equal 32. Okay, and then no distribute list. Don't forget the no to distribute list. In ERP, no distribute list. Distribute list prefix in blocking in. Okay, do as her. Just see it again. Okay, there's no. Okay, good. You can open it. All router. And don't forget to checking the do as her IP route for do as her IP route. He will be come back normal. Okay. There's no blocking here. Okay, go on. Okay. We're waiting for the unloaded router. Another router. Yeah. This is so simple, guys. The access list. Because of what? Just we gonna do adding the access list in the router too. Access. I forget. Access list. Access list. One permit. One permit. 000 slash 0 and then non slash 0 just using this subtitles 255 54. Okay, then router ERP 10 and then distribute list 1 in ethernet distribute just type it distribute this text it type it 1 in yeah undiscussed the people does not didn't know For that, the what and here in and then include the Ethernet and what the path of that's going to. So we are going to blocking the IP out or IP even IP out. I think IP out first. IP out. Yes, IP out first. In this one, you can see there's the path of going to the router tree. Just we want to blocking the this one, the loopback in router tree, and Ethernet 0/1. Okay, exit and do SHIP. Okay, okay. Oh yeah, don't forget this one, the system notification. It will be changed because you can see in this there's no blocking the IP out or prefix out. Okay, do SHIP. Okay, you can see this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, still same, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just 5, but with the IP out is getting what it's like 32 getting blocked, and then oh just it, just 32. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna do the IP access list IP event. Okay, wait. 140, 54. That's it. Right. Okay, gonna do IP event. No access list. No access list. One permit 0, 0, 0, 0, then 155, 155, 155, 144, 45, 454, and then access list permit, access list permit, one permit, and then 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 244. Okay, and then enter. Okay, you can see this. What's the refer of IP out access list and then IP even access list? You can see this one 0, 0, 0, 0 is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, we're gonna do checking do as IP. Okay, as you can see, it's all getting blown. Yeah, I think that's gonna wrong or something that's uh the IP out just getting blocked too. It's just like 28, 30, and 28 is getting blocked too. But this is so success. That's mean that's success too. Oh yeah, don't forget. I want to explain it. Access list one. What is the one it? Is the product rules just working like there's some rules of in the access list. And what is number? Just number one is no deny three, deny three, and then access list one, two permit three. Yeah, and because of that, the roll number is so that's the powerful of that. Just like no what just getting of like based on just the number, it will change because the number one is deny three, he will be blocking, and number two permit because the power because of the rules that he will be blocking by the one number one. That's it. Okay, as you can see, it's getting blocked. Okay, maybe that's all for me. If, I'm sorry if there are mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And see you next time in next video. Bye guys.